As I was walking one fine summer's evening, a-walkin doon by the Broomielaw, it was there I met wi' a fair young maiden. She'd cherry cheeks and a skin like snaw. Says I, my lassie, is it you that wanders all alone by the Broomielaw? Indeed, kind sir, it's the truth I'll tell ye, I'm a Bleacher Lassie on Kelvinhaugh. Oh, lassie, lassie, do you remember the ships that sailed by the Broomielaw? And the sailor laddies they all admired the Bleacher Lassie on Kelvinhaugh. Oh, laddie, laddie, I do remember the ships that sailed by the Broomielaw. And the sailor laddies, they all got tipsy with a Bleacher Lassie on Kelvinhaugh. Says I, my lassie, will ye gang wi' me? I'll dress ye up in fine satins braw. Indeed, kind sir, I can plainly tell ye, I've a lad o' my een and he's far awa'. It's 7 lang years that I loo'ed a sailor, it's 7 lang years since he gaed awa', and another 7 I'll wait upon him and bleach my clees here on Kelvinhaugh. Oh, lassie, lassie, you're hard-hearted, I wish your fair face I never saw, for my heart's aye bleedin' baith nicht and morning for the Bleacher Lassie on Kelvinhaugh. Oh, lassie, lassie, ye hae been faithful and focht on me when far awa'. Twa hearts will surely be rewarded, we'll part nae mair here on Kelvinhaugh. It's new this couple, it's they've got married, and they keep an alehouse atween them twa. And the sailor laddies, they all come drinking to see that lassie on sweet Kelvinhaugh.